we get to celebrate the holidays. We got to get through this week, and Chief Meteorologist Brett Anthony is tracking a system that may kind of wreck our parts of Tuesday.
Yeah, it could really need to be on our toes tomorrow for severe weather. It's our third severe weather setup in this autumn secondary fall severe weather season. And if this was spring, I would not be surprised to see this. This is a pretty classic severe weather setup. We have rich Gulf moisture all the way into northern Kansas. You've got moist air ahead of some dry air that's coming in, and then you have some winds aloft at about 16 to 20,000 feet, just screaming overhead between 115 and 130 miles an hour. At the same time, then at the surface, down here on Earth, we have southeast winds. So that veering or twisting can help to create tornadoes. The winds aloft, if they get transferred down to the surface, that helps create straight line wind damage. So it's a serious concern tomorrow. Storm Prediction Center has backed the enhanced risk up all the way back to Jacksonville and Henderson. So the timeline looks something like this. 6 to 10 a.m., there may be a few severe thunderstorm warnings out toward Athens and Canton and Sulphur Springs. Then from Mineola to Jefferson, Tyler to Longview, Jacksonville to Henderson between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. That's going to be prime time here for the severe weather. And then after 2 p.m., deep East Texas, that's where they could see some very strong, if not severe, thunderstorms over deep East Texas. And again, that timeline, noon to about 5 p.m. throughout the area. The tornado threat tomorrow is elevated, and we have a hatched area, and that means that there could be very strong tornadoes in this yellow area. EF2 or stronger, meaning 113 to 157 mile an hour storm tornadoes would be possible within this area. So that's elevated, that's concerning, with an enhanced area here over extreme east and deep east Texas, meaning we could see 70 to 80 mile an hour straight line wind gusts with those storms there, and I'll show you why in just a second. By noon, the storms are starting to move into Tyler and Gilmer. By 2 p.m., Jefferson, Henderson, Jacksonville, down to Crockett. Anywhere along the leading edge where you see these little bulges, that's where we could have those damaging wind gusts. By 5 p.m., that moves toward Carthage Center, Nacogdoches. Very strong winds here into deep East Texas. One of those storms on the trailing end of that line could turn tornadic. Got to watch that down towards San Augustine. These showers here Wednesday morning, not severe, just rain. That's with this true cold front that comes through Wednesday. Then northwest winds come on in and the temperatures start to drop. In fact, by Thursday morning, we're down to about 38 degrees, even though the sky is clear. Want the rain, don't want the severe weather. I like to see these numbers piling up here, 0.6 to an inch, inch and a half. Certainly will help the lake levels around East Texas, which are running about 4 to 5 feet below average. All right, so tonight, cloudy, increasing humidity, passing showers, 65 for the overnight low with a south wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tomorrow, everyone sees at least one period of rain and thunderstorms, if not a couple. It is a severe weather day with a high temperature of 68. Winds at times will be around 35 miles an hour before the storms get here. All right, Baylor Scott White, Texas Spine Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. We're looking at 100% chance of rain tomorrow. Morning showers Wednesday, cooler, 61. Then 35 Thursday morning. 56 Thursday afternoon, 52 only with sunshine on Friday. And then Saturday, we go through the day, the clouds are increasing. And yes, it's cold enough Saturday evening to see some rain showers possibly mixing with some cold, wet snowflakes that would melt when they hit the surface. Down to 31 Sunday morning, 54 on Sunday. Monday, we have another cold front. It's a strong cold front without the severe weather, as it has temperatures at 58 Monday, dropping to 52 by Tuesday, then even colder for the first day of winter and beyond. And notice on the 10-day forecast, snow showers possible. Yeah, the first full day of winter to round out that 10-day forecast. All right.